Hello, flashlight people. I don't like this bulky ship at all. EagleTac. This belt loop is too low. It should have been here. No good. I like this 4.7 ship very much. It doesn't have a Velcro second loop, but it's okay. Pretty comfortable on my belt. It's the new logo. Anyway, very similar flashlights each other. EagleTac D25C2 and 4.7s Quark Pro QP12X. Wow, very strongly textured orange peel reflector. This one a bit irregular, but basically it's a smooth reflector. Mounting depth is different. It's deeper. It's a throwy light. If it had a small XPG, it would make a more throwy light, but it has a Qui XML U2 brand new LED. It generates 550 lumens, amazingly high lumens, 550. And here, soon get hot because of this high lumens. So this circuit has automatic stepping down, power stepping down function. So it automatically, after 90 seconds, it automatically step down the power 20% down from 550 to 450. But 450 is brighter than this one. This one 360. 550 and 90 seconds later 450 and more throwy reflector. Anyhow, I was surprised at this similarity. Look at this, almost the same integrated clip construction. This ring lanyard hole is typical on this one. It's not annoying, more comfortable. It can come on the bottom. It's pretty good. No problem at all. Bottom hole is smaller on this one, EagleTac. A bit getting thinner to the butt on the EagleTac. Interesting design. And it's titanium plated stainless bezel for toughness. Regular. In the tightened position, turbo and strobe. Same on the 47s. Turbo and strobe. Strobe frequency is interestingly similar, same, like this. Maybe they use the same circuit, and loosened positions has the same characteristics. No memory on the loosened position. EagleTac doesn't have a moonlight mode. I like it doesn't have a moonlight mode. Low, medium, high, and low, medium, high. Some hidden modes there. I like this no memory function and starting from low, medium, high. I don't need a moonlight mode at all. It has a moonlight mode. Moonlight. And low, medium, high, and SOS and moonlight. Low. Anyhow, it doesn't have a memory function too, but it starts with a moonlight mode. It's a small issue. So, they always take CR123A batteries only, not for rechargeables. So, very thin construction. Very compact. Let's go and see how they differs in the field. This is my favorite 47's Quark X. Pretty wide spill as you can see, and pretty wide hotspot as you can see. It's a floody light. And next, brand new EagleTac D25. Oh, I'm sorry. D25C2. Pretty large hotspot it has. Okay, let's compare with the 47's. This one 47's. This one EagleTac. EagleTac is much brighter, as you can see. The hotspot size, EagleTac is a bit smaller. This is 47's. This is EagleTac. But EagleTac has brightness stepping down function to protect the LED from the heat. This is EagleTac, substantially brighter than 47's. Okay, soon, 5 minutes, 5 seconds. Can you notice the brightness went down? Anyway, now it's 20% down. Let's compare with the 360 lumens for 7s. This is for 7s. 360 lumens. This is EagleTac 450 lumens. EagleTac is brighter, but not so much. Okay, this is the EagleTac. Oh, let's compare the spear size directly. Spear size, as you see, for 7s is a bit larger. This is the EagleTac D25C2. I hope you had a better idea for your next flashlight. I think EagleTac is a pretty good flashlight. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.